Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a helpful topic: how to report a space on Gmail using your PC, especially with the latest updates. If you've encountered a problematic space or content that doesn't sit right with you, reporting it is a crucial step. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar interface of your inbox. This is where our journey begins. Next, look to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll find a grid icon consisting of 9 dots right next to your profile photo. Click on that icon, and a menu will drop down, giving you several options. From this menu, choose Chats. This will take you to all your ongoing chat spaces. Locate the space you want to report. Once you find it, click on it to open it up. Now that you're inside the space, look for its name at the top of the chat window. Click on the name, and a new menu will appear. Here, you'll see the option to block and report. Select this option to proceed. You're almost there. A new window will pop up, asking for confirmation. Make sure to check the box next to Report to Google. This step is essential, as it ensures that your report is taken seriously and reviewed by the appropriate team. Finally, to complete the process, click on the Block button. This action will not only block the space, but also send your report to Google for review. It's a straightforward way to keep your Gmail experience safe and enjoyable. And that's it. Reporting a space on Gmail is quick and easy. By following these steps, you're taking a proactive approach to ensuring that your online environment remains positive.